years, baby.
Now entering spring cleaning.
Get out the mop, get out the broom, get your stuff out and get out the room. Call up the crew, get in the stew, all for you, we're making a boom. Protecting the world from devastation, united all bitches across the nation. Making this rap with no innovation, Travis that beat, cause we on vacation.
Cause we on vacation, I'ma go eat some food. I don't need lubrication, I put my penis in a dude. Ivan's mom is a bitch, she got some attitude. So I smack her once, smack her twice. I'm not talking about her face, I'm talking about her booty, cause it's nice. She love playing with my balls like she's Jerry Rice. Slip it in when it's night, yeah, she feels so tight.
I stay making most racks in the click. Packing the States, got a 7-inch dick. Call me the Rose and I'm chill with the Crips. Upper lip pack with 6 million zins. Playing with guns like I'm Tommy Vercetti. Kill my ops, won't pay homage to many. Playing with meat, I'm a butcher like Benny. Bombing the feet, but I spent many pennies. I just broke up with my girl, she had attitude. Honestly, at this point, I've been thinking I should switch to dudes. My bitch 13 like the freedom from involuntary servitude. Watching Creed 3, got hot to Adonis interlude. Looks like it's time for cleaning. I don't know what to do, no need for intervening. I pull up with my crew, dustling, rustling, hustling, bustling. We getting this shit through, but now we gotta mow the lawn cause all this grass just grew. All my stacks withdrawn, all the sizes done. Your bitch is a fraud, find it kinda odd, but you I will laud, you ain't even flawed. Back in the stew, a crew just flew, dwelling inside, brewing on your debut. I'm doing my laundry, but my bitch just called me. We just be fucking it, that shit was godly. Catching the flu, so right up the queue. With my own crew, spring get construed, grazing the dew, sun soaking through. Mira el cielo es todo azul.
And now introducing Tall Glass of Water.
My name is Glass of Water, also known as Ian Slaughter. Yes, orange hot, but you know that I'm hotter. Swimming through this lean like I'm a sea otter.
Sweep all that dust from under the mat. Hiding my feelings from Soren's mom's gas. She want that glass ass, take her back to the flat. I'm saying to her, where my hug at?
Yeah, bitch.